now we're up and running. I guess this is probably officially the start of harvest. Yeah, we'll go with that. We're now officially started harvest now. We got everything, piece of equipment running. Back to Midtown, y'all. We are about to get rolling on some corn again. Gonna kind of be the theme for the next several days and weeks, you know, until we get done. So we got moved over here this morning. Took a little while to service stuff. We even got the old 1210 out. Had to run the rats out of it. We got 4 fields on this farm. We got 4 small fields. Like 45 acres or so. Something like that. So we're gonna run on it. We got this field down here, which is a creek bottom field. I'm thinking this field will be the best on this farm. Creek's just right there. And this field, when I planted it, was really wet. So I'm hoping that, you know, it wasn't beat up by the heat too much. We're about to find out. Pretty good on this farm. Oh, I ain't crunched the numbers yet, but it's running a lot better than it was on other places. The downside is it's like 17.5% moisture. So we are going to take this one load, put it in the bin, blow it down, and then me and Don are going to go hand shell some on some different farms and see what the moisture is on them and see if we can move. If not, we will just stop for a couple days. And, you know, we'll figure it out. Back from checking corn. And looks like everything's running about 17.5 on moisture. So what we're going to do is haul this one load, put it in a bin, and I think we can cut more tomorrow. It's a fairly windy day today, so we're thinking that it'll get dried down enough for us to haul to town. Try not to back to the grain bin. Third day corn harvest, not going so hot. I mean, nothing's broke. Nothing's tore up. Corn's still a little bit wet. What corn we've managed to cut so far was planted early. The first stuff we planted was like 95-day corn. It was planted around the 20th of May. No, the 20th of April. There we go. That sounds right. Like the 20th of April. So it was for sure enough dry, and then the custom stuff that we did, it was planted around the 15th of April, which is usually the normal time that we plant corn. It just didn't work out like that this year. But it was a lot drier. Like that corn yesterday was running like 12.8, 13.4 on moisture. It was really dry and it shelled out good. It shelled a whole lot. It was running about half what we normally do. So I didn't got phones here to crunch numbers. But yeah, we figured it was running about half. A little bit less in some spots, a little bit more. I think we averaged like 80, 85, 75 bushels an acre. You know, it was what it was. It is what it is. It's cut now. So I'm gonna haul this one load off. And I got a good bit of stuff I can do for work. So I'm gonna get caught up with that, and we'll catch up with y'all tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed. I'll be back at the combine shelling some corn. So, see y'all tomorrow or Saturday. One of those 2 days. One of those 2 days, we'll be shelling corn. Welcome back to bed 10, y'all. Finally, it's about 10 till 5 on a Friday evening. Corn's finally dry enough. And we have solved our electrical problems. Yeah, that's right, we got electrical problems again. What was it this time? Dad burn alternator. So we put new batteries on it. We've run it for 3-4 days, I think. And moving over to this farm, yeah, we've moved farms again. We moved over here, my alternator light come on going down the road. So I got here, pulled the alternator off. Luckily, our local dealer had one. They didn't have none of the belts I needed. It needed some belts too, so the belts are gonna hold up. I told them to hold up all weekend. But the belts will be here maybe Monday. That's what I'm hoping anyways. Besides that, we're about to start threshing on some corn. Actually got a decent amount of corn for once. So farmer's on here today. That corn ended up being high moisture, like 17.9. We checked it again this morning, it picked up to 18.1. We come over to this farm, checked it, and it's at 15.3, so we're running on it. And we'll probably be here all weekend, see how much we can get knocked out. Supervisor's done showed up. Time to straighten up, right, Jack? Yep.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah, Mama didn't bring your seatbelt, did she? Your booster seat. We'll get that tomorrow if we get you running good. Look here, I got your cup holder. Welcome back to Benton, everybody. Today's Saturday. It is about 8 o'clock. The grainer's just opened up, so we'll take this truck down and unload it. Then we'll head back to field day. That's the plan for today. See what corn we can knock out today. Hopefully we'll do this one farm day and move on to the next one. And see what we're doing. So far, it seems like it's cutting actually pretty fair corn. We'll know more way today. We'll get everything cut. We'll figure out what to make it, but not make it too bad. We are rolling hot and heavy this morning. We got one side of this farm done yesterday evening. We moved over to the other part. We also have got all the equipment moved over here. We got the grain cart, all 3 trucks, and we are full staff. Me, Jesse, and McDonald's with us today running trucks, so we're good to go. 12:30. We're getting started for a day. We'll get I got the grain cart today to 4755 hooked to the, I think it's a 1210A John Deere. We'll get the grain cart running today. It's Saturday. The granary isn't too far from here. We're kind of blessed with that too. It's about, I don't know, maybe 5 miles there. Maybe 6, 7, I don't know. But I'm going to try to keep everything running. I'm going to try to run the grain cart today, keep Alex in the combine, keep it moving, and see what all we can get done today. First unloaded the grain cart of the year. The grain cart's not full. Got one dump in it, used to hold two from the combine by water. Go ahead and empty it out just to make sure everything's working good. In case we do have a problem, I ain't got a cart full of grain. Looks like everything's staying together. Looks like everything's together, everything's tight, so we're good. This is the last piece of the puzzle. Now we're up and running. I guess this is mine officially to start a harvest. Yeah, we'll go with that. We're in now, officially start a harvest now. We got everything piece of equipment running. We're cruising right along today. Getting a good bit knocked out. Of course, when everybody's here, it's easier to get stuff done. Especially having the grain cart. That way I'm not having to pull out the field. You know, I can stay right here in the corn and running. Got a pretty good bit covered so far. We've probably got maybe half the farm cut. We're running close to half it. It's supposed to have. In fact, once I got about 20 rows right here, about 24 rows, 24 rows. What I'm running over to the right, once I get this part knocked out, we'll have half of it. I can run right along, new alternator, she's working. And just wait for the belts to come in. Got me to pay an extra fee to get them next day, and yeah, they didn't come, so maybe I'll get them Monday. And I think the belts are going to hold out there, they're just starting to get cracked, so. I got one of them, but I can't put it on yet because I had to order an outer. The outer really started to show wear, and I didn't want to put the new belt on there and chew it. Ruin that belt, run it out of outer fully. So hopefully I'll be in here Monday, and then I'll be rolling. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, today's Saturday. Last 3 days. Jumped around too much. The last 4 days. Got a lot of stuff on Wednesday, got a little bit of baths on Thursday. It turned out to be too wet, and we looked over here, right now, yesterday. About lunch. I didn't get going till like 3:30, 4 o'clock because I put it out on the combine. But even though we didn't get ready till, I think we run to like 7:30, 8 o'clock last night. We still managed to get about a third of the farm cut. And even managed to get a couple loads hauled off, which is good. I don't know about y'all, but our first couple days of the harvest is always slow. So it's usually moisture parts. Moisture parts. Oh, you need to give the combine a good check over and check everything. And you're gonna miss stuff. You know, that bearing that looked good, well, you know, you run one day and it shoots it. So we're getting the bug shook out of her. I'd say probably one more good day running. And should be running like a champ. Running good now. Temperature's staying cool. And corn in. You know, so I guess it's not great corn. We were figuring right now, we're probably running about 150 range. Like 145, 150. And consider that heat we had right all through June. We had double whammy then. We had high heat and no rain. It dried off on raining like, go back and watch the videos. There's one where we got hay up out of the flood. We got like 8 inches of rain in about an hour. Flash flood just come up, went down, washed hay everywhere, and we had rain done. That was in May. It's like the last week of May, first week of June. Every time it turned off dry, it got really hot. It kind of put a damper on stuff. So around the combine, usually the corn would be about steerable high. About high foot steerable right here. So you pass it with that. And I'd say it's probably a foot lower, a foot shorter than normal. You can really tell where your dead spots in the soil are. There's no there, and look across the other crop, it looks like it does, like it's weight. It's the flat farm. What it is the tall spots where your soil's deep. You know, where we're at, it's not like up north where you have, you know, 14 to 36 inches of topsoil. We farm some spots that's probably 4 inches of topsoil. It needs to might have a foot topsoil. So it's really showing. Plus side on this 150 bushel board is we are not using as near much fuel in the combine. Hey, come on down here if you can hear me. This is full too. So we're playing the old waiting game. Jesse texted me and said he's on his way back. So he should be here in about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. So we got the cart full. Cart's full, combine's full. Now, not exactly a full load in the semi, but it's what we're sending. You can hold more than this. And then the red truck's full. And it's waiting on Don to get back. He's in the white truck, so when he gets back, he'll jump into that one. And I should have the load cut in the combine by the time he gets back. And he's back. Look at him go. I'll get over and dump on the high side. access to this farm. Let's get this place booked. Yeah, it looks like we're probably running, 145, 150-ish bushels of corn. So not too bad. Considering the weather, not too bad at all. We have reached our destination successfully. We got moved over to the second farm of the day. We're getting set up. Got a little bit of spot cut out so we can get trucks parked. So we're gonna get cracking at it. Mains are full, and it is about 6:30, so our local grinder will be closing in about 30 minutes. Game plan is we're going to run all day tomorrow, as long as it don't rain, put stuff in the bin. So we're just filling one dump truck up this evening, going to park it in the bin because it'll take us about 30 minutes to get to town. And sure enough, if we leave right now, we'll get stuck behind somebody slow or a darn Amish buggy or something. We'll get there in time. We don't need to be waiting around on us. I mean, they've been there all day and they want to go home too. So we're going to call it here, and we'll set the bin up in the morning so we run on it. But it's been a pretty productive day. We got one farm done, got moved over to the next farm, got it opened up, kinda. We have, let's see, the east side opened up. We've got about a quarter of the north side. We haven't went up the south side yet. And we haven't opened any of the far west side. But it's a start. Hope all y'all enjoy watching it. Remember, if you do, like and subscribe. Comment if you want to. And like always, good Lord's willing, catch you on the flip side. Till next.